Okay, this will be the maiden flight of the Mystic 90, a derivative of Hanno Pretner's Superfly from the 80s. Good looking airplane, I gotta say, it's better looking than I thought. I don't have the wingtips on for this flight. I need to paint them, and I don't have the right color paint yet. Okay, I'm gonna latch in here. I'm gonna turn around. Here we go. Oh yeah. Wow. The gear up. And they're up. Start trimming some down trim. I'm about half power now. It jumped off the ground. Still wants more down trim. Still wants more down trim. Alright, let's put the coal to it now. The ailerons don't need even a click. Alright, there's full power. Wow. This is only 1500 watts. I haven't put the big prop on it yet. Oh man, what a sweet airplane. Dang. Oh, it's got more than enough power for this. Holy God. Oh man, it's 6 1/4 pounds, so it's extremely light. Probably gonna add down thrust or something, or trim the stab or something. Or trim the wing. I'm probably gonna shim the wing down. I think it needs another shim in the wing saddle. Wow. I'm gonna come down and then go straight up and just see how high it'll go. No rolling, just vertical. I got full right rudder in and she's clear out of sight. Dang, okay, that's 600 foot at least. Wow, that is more than enough power for 6 pounds. Wow, what a nice airplane. First roll. Yep, I'm gonna adjust a little bit more differential in there. Oh yeah, it's very pure. That's a pattern ship. Wow, it's much more patterny than I thought it would be. I thought it would be more sporty because it's small size. Probably gonna add some right thrust and some down thrust maybe, I don't know. Let's try an outside. This is the real test of a pattern ship. Oh boy, that's nice. Oh man, that's nice. No aileron or rudder needed. Maybe a little rudder. Just to counter the P factor. There's an inverted. Yeah, it's taking quite a bit of inverted. Oh man. Wow. That is nice. I think I'm gonna call it now. Yeah, she's going right past me. Okay.